So full-time year Aberystwyth Town is Aberystwyth 3 at Airbus. I'm here with Wolvesy, our assistant manager. Wolvesy, big result. How are you feeling?
Delighted. You know, third home game. You know, obviously we targeted ideally 9 points out of 9. We've taken 7 so far. You know, I think we've proven, you know, when we turn up and we're on our game, we're a match for any team in this league. And obviously it's another 3 goals, which, you know, we're proven to be a right force sort of offensively. So yeah, delighted. As
I said, can we match any team? We've just gone up into 5th today. It's the first soiree into top 6 for us this year. How's that feeling for the boys in there now?
Well, it's brilliant. You know, it's taken quite a bit of time for us to adjust. On and off the pitch, obviously with the new pitch here, you know, we've regathered a lot of, you know, new players. It takes a long time for them to mould together, and I think it's coming to fruition now. And, you know, in all credit to the lads, we set out for a game plan, and, you know, when they stick to it, we appear to be doing well.
Today's the first time we've actually won a game when we have conceded a goal. What's that say about the character in the dressing room?
Yeah, it's great. You know, I mean, we retain the ball very well. You know, a bit unfortunate, free header there. You know, okay, 3 games gone, we haven't conceded from open play. It's a set play that's cost us that goal, which obviously Sam's a bit disappointed because he feels responsible for losing his man. But, you know, the belief is within the squad now, and it's growing, and I think in and around the ground you can see it. You know, there's a spark here at the moment, and what we're aiming for is that turning Park Avenue to being a fortress, and I think we're on the right track at the moment.
And as I said there, we've got 3 Park Avenue to fortress. We've got 3 home games on a spin now. We've got a hard one next week, and we've got 2 more difficult games after that. How are we feeling ahead of those games?
Yeah, good. I mean, we're taking every game as it comes. You know, we do our homework. We set out our game plan. To be fair, the players adhere to it very well. You know, we prep well in training, and, you know, I think we're seeking the rewards. New additions into the squad of late, i.e., you know, Mullock and Alfie, they've made a big difference. They're experienced lads, along with a bit of mix of youth. And we got 1 or 2 who've obviously been here a while. So I think, you know, collectively it's coming as a group, and I think, you know, we're seeing that in terms of our performances.
Wayne, many congratulations, and thank you very much for your time.